everyone. So, if you watch my story, you know what I did. So anyway, I received a big bag in the mail. My husband handed it to me. And I said, is that for me? I'm like, huh? What did I order, you know? So then he go like, oh, you act like you don't know what you order. I said, I really don't know. I forget what I order. So it's from Timo. So when I opened my bag, I remember what it is now. So this is the umbrella. Look, this is the umbrella. It's for the food. It's for the food. Just gotta fix it. This is for the food, guys. Para walang langaw. Oh my God, I don't even know how to turn it off. Okay. Hala, nasira ko na ata siya. Okay, let's fix that later. I don't know how to put it back. Anyway, and then the other one is, I said, what is this? So then when I look, so this is the one that goes in your car. Like that. You put it in your car. I don't know why it's backward. I guess it's like, I think it's like this. Put in your car. And where you put your cup and stuff. So I got two. I don't know why I got two, but I got two. And then here's the thing. I guess you put them in here. And then you put it in the behind your car. So that's the one. Ala! Tatlo! I didn't even know I got three. What in the world? Is it three? Yeah, I got three. Four of those. Oh my gosh. Anyway, and then I don't know where this thread is gonna, I don't know what is this thing. Parang gagawin ko dito. Hindi ko to alam kung ano to. So, we have to figure it out what this thing is. And now, meron pa ako dito, nakaano pa. So, we're gonna open it and see what it is. Ah, ito yung, ano to? This is the strainer. Ganito lang pala siya kaliit. Oh, strainer. Strainer of what? Hindi ko alam. Basta nabili ko, I guess. Ayan siya. Akala ko malaki, maliit pala. So, and then, ano naman to? And then, ito naman. Oh my gosh! Guys, bumili ako ng bag. Ito yung bag. Ay, ang ganda niya. Ay, leather na leather, guys. Ito yung bag ni Kim Chu. Hala, tinry ko lang siya, guys. Look. It's Kim Chu's bag. I got one. Ay, ang ganda niya. Nice, guys. The leather is so soft and very, ang ganda niya. Oh, hala. This is very nice. Oh, wow. It's really clean. As you don't know, Kim Chu is selling her bag at Timo in the US. So here it is. So no zipper, just open like that, and then you just, it's magnetic, and then you have to put, wow, there's thing, and then meron pa dito. Yan. So anyway, we'll show that later. Ano pa? Meron pa akong isa dito. This one. Ano to? Ang tayo ko mga in-order. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang pinag-order ko, guys. Let's see. Buksan natin. Paano to? Ay, grabe, kaliit. Ito lang pala to. Ano ba yan? What in the world? Oh my gosh. Okay. So, this is, oh, I know what this is. This is the home. It says home. And I have to put this. This is where you put your keys. See, it comes with a hook. Ayan o. So, ganun siya. It comes with the hook. Like this. It's for key holder. I ordered this one because I wanna put this on my door. Para pagka umalis kami ng bahay, andun na yung yung key right away. Alam mo yun? Kasi yung key ko nasa kitchen. So now I'm gonna put this in there malapit sa pinto. Para ayan na siya. Oh wow, easy to assemble. So if you wanna buy this, it's really nice. Easy to assemble.
Those are the people that will smile and giggle and curtsy and hand gesture you
Look.
on your way to the gallows. What I'm providing
Wow,
today
this is
not
nice.
saying I'm providing
I can make it more all the way para tight siya.
That's from some of
Oh,
the
wow.
worst of humanity
Okay.
to the best. I spoke with Artemis II pilot Victor Glover, one impressive
It's like this, guys.
wrestling days, history.
It's like this. And then you put your key on it. It's cute. You see it? See, look. It's like that. And then you put your key. Ayan siya. Ang ganda. Okay, so that's it. I got 3 of this for the pang-cover ng food. Pag napipiknik kayo or you're outside. And I don't know why I have this. Let me open this one. 4 ang dumating. Baka siguro nahit ko 4. Or probably 2. I didn't know that it comes with 2. See, it comes with 2. So now this one, I'm gonna give this to my husband or to my daughter so they can use it. See, there you go, guys. From Timo. My first time to order again. I never order in Timo. I asked my friend to order if I needed something, but this time I did. No, I think I did before, but it's been a long time. But I like it. But I really like this. I'm gonna show you this, guys. So, the bag is from Timo. This is what you call that? It's Kimchi's bag. It's really nice and it's so light. Oh my gosh. So now I am going to flex this bag. Or siguro mamaya na lang. I-flex ko na lang siya mamaya kasi mahaba na tayo. You know, some people doesn't wanna watch a long video. So, I need to stop. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye everyone. Thanks for tuning in. God bless.